DJ. Everybody ready to party.
Are we gonna have this open?
We don't have to. We can, yeah. All right, fine. Yeah, because that's helping. That help with the lighting. Oh yeah.
Okay. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Well, hello.
Hello.
Got a little different setup today. We don't have the tripod, but we are still going live for you today. I'm Miriah. This is Cece, as we know. Yes, and we are here today to talk briefly. It's gonna be a pretty brief live today about healthy hair smoothies that you can do to make your hair grow. We got some events and some things going on in the salon that we're just gonna talk about, and it's gonna be a great live. So, where are we at? Okay, I'm not gonna yet, but we'll get there. Because it's gonna be very brief, so we might not have nobody.
No, it's alright, but you know what? We're gonna actually be posting the smoothie recipes because we're all about healthy hair from the inside and out. So that's why we wanted to kind of give you some tips on nutrition and kind of keeping cool for the summer and taking care of your hair and your skin at the same time. Because we always talk about things to do externally, but we need to kind of go within, especially with people going through their natural hair journey and things like that, not realizing that you have slow hair growth or you're trying to accelerate your hair growth, or even just to maintain, to put shine on your hair, to help with bounce and vibrancy. It's all internal. So we're going to give you some really great quick recipes that you can incorporate in your morning and in your afternoon for lunch and things like that. Great smoothie recipes. And if you don't really like smoothies, I do have a juice as well. Like if you're a juicer, are you a juicer? You got a juicer.
I have a juicer, and I have not been juicing lately, but I need to get back into it because juicing is amazing.
Right.
And it's great because it's fresh and you make it yourself. One thing, let's to go back on what TC was saying though, is like your hair is the last thing in your system and your body to get nourished. Mm-hmm. So if you eating Popeye's chicken wings and potato skins and pork rinds and all of that, no vegetables, no good healthy protein and dark leafy vitamin D and all of that stuff, your hair is not going to be healthy either.
Yeah.
Because any little bit of nutrient you're getting is going to your organs to keep you alive. Your hair is like, well,
it's the last.
You know, that's not a necessity.
And your skin is the last.
Blemishes and all of that. We don't have time. We don't have time.
Right.
We want to be glowing. 2019.
Right. This is goddess season.
How?
Right now.
Hello. Okay.
Skin
Man,
glowing,
look at me on the beach.
hair shiny. Our hair wouldn't be this bright and shiny if we wasn't taking care of it, because this could look extremely dull and ashy.
Ashy.
It could be.
Because I ain't even put no moisturizer on me, but I look like I got a little hue there.
Yeah, it's not
probably
bad.
A little sweat.
It's not bad. It's like if you're eating a lot of, dairy and cheesy products and things like that, that causes inflammation. And inflammation causes
build up in the scalp
and hair loss and things like that. So if you do, because listen, I love my cheeses, but you gotta combat.
Hey viewer,
you gotta combat.
I don't know who you are, but hello.
So let's start off with a really easy recipe, and this is for the juicers. I don't have a juicer, so
But you can still incorporate the same things into a smoothie.
Exactly.
It's all
quick and easy hair. It's called a hair growth juice. 2 apples, 3 carrots, 8 mint leaves, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix it all up. That's all you really need, and it tastes really good. And if you need a little bit sweet, like I tend to need a little bit more sweet. I'm the junk food eater of the bunch. I add a little bit of honey, just to kind of give me a little bit of a kick. And it definitely does help. Right here. Oh, right here.
Yeah. So, Miss Kim actually sent in one of her favorite smoothie recipes just to give us a little bonus, a little owner's tips of the day. She said this is one of her tips: add sage or peppermint to your favorite smoothies to help stimulate hair growth. And this is a recipe that she likes to use: 1 cup of chopped romaine lettuce, half a cup of baby spinach, 1 mint spring with the stem, half an avocado, 4 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 3 to 6 drops of stevia extract or 2 to 3 stevia packets. You can get that at Aldi or any grocery store. I guess that's like a natural sweetener or whatever. You don't have to. That's like a suggested. You don't have to add that though. If you, I don't like adding sugar and stuff to my smoothies.
A lot of times you don't need it.
Cause especially if you got the fruit in the season, it's ripe, it's fresh. And then she said 1/4 a cup of ice cubes and a cup of tap water or filtered water. But in a lot of cases, I'll use like coconut water, just because it's a little bit more healthy and tastier than the Schuylkill punch. Got a little battery acid flavor at the end there.
You know what?
Tangy smoothie. There's some ginger ale in there.
I can't.
Forgive me.
Anyway,
Really
alright. So then I'll give you my favorite that I like, and this is for hair growth and for shiny hair. So this is a mango and strawberry smoothie. 3 large charred leaves, frozen mangoes, a cup of strawberries, plain Greek yogurt. I love Greek yogurt, and a cup of walnuts, flax seeds, and a cup and a half of water.
And flax seeds actually help also with digestion, so keep that in your diet consistently.
Right. The berries, the mango has vitamin C, so that's always a plus. The Swiss chard is good for your iron, so that helps with that too. And then I also add liquid biotin to my smoothies, just to give an extra pump for the hair growth. Yeah, and then you don't even taste it, but the liquid biotin has a vanilla like taste, or you can get it without it. But I just go and put usually comes in a dropper, and just add like 2 drops to it and mix that into the smoothie. Tastes amazing, and that'll give you an extra little punch or extra little kick if you add the liquid biotin to it. Or if you crunch up the biotin in the smoothie, like if you take the biotin pills.
I feel like I would want to do the liquid because
But sometimes if you don't have a really good blender like that blends really well, you can taste the little chunks. So just get the liquid and just add it in there as an added punch, and that makes a really great hair growth smoothie. All right, and again, we're gonna put the recipes in the comments so that you can go back and
we'll probably mention them in the next newsletter too.
Yeah,
as like
definitely.
Thing if y'all wanna start with that, because I was having some breakout issues last month, and I'm vegetarian, but you could be an unhealthy vegetarian because I can still eat pizza. I can still eat fries with all of that cheese and all of that stuff.
Right.
So it was like,
you gotta just balance it out.
Boop, pop, 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 connect the dots. I was like, no, we gotta flush that out. Scrub it off. Drink some water.
Yeah.
Get it out of here.
And if you're not really a water drinker, then do the infused waters. That makes it so that it gives you a really fresh taste, but then it also gives you the vitamins and the nutrients in your water, and it looks so pretty. It looks so pretty when you make the bottle.
Your skin and your hair is going to thank you.
Right.
Because I know when I was really consistent in doing my smoothies and all of that stuff, I'll be looking at myself like,
yes.
Ooh, people like, you got makeup on? No, I woke up like this.
This is the goddess.
I didn't even wash myself today.
It's
just glowing. It's just shining like, hey. Ooh, yeah, do it. Just do all that internal stuff.
From the inside out. Because we got this part for you. But you got to do your part too.
You got to do the work.
You got to do your work too.
Especially if you're going to be adding extra vitamins and stuff to your smoothies, like Cece was saying about the biotin, you have to make sure you're drinking a lot of water to flush that out, because I had a reaction to biotin like years ago when everybody was all hype about biotin when I was in hair school. And I was like breaking out. I'm like, I don't never really break out. It's like
you gotta drink plenty
something
of water.
happens with it where it confuses itself with the biotin in your system, and it thinks it's something your body needs to attack to defend your immune system or whatever, if you're taking in a lot of it one time, like a foreign type of thing. So your body will start like fighting it, and you'll be breaking out. So you gotta flush, like you gotta drink like a gallon of water.
Yeah, drink plenty of water. So what do we have next?
Did you have the others? You wanted to mention this one too, or?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it in the comments because it's a lot of the same
things. You can. I honestly go like how we did. Just go on Pinterest and type in things that help with hair. Your skin, your hair, skin, and nails all go in the same boat.
Definitely.
So if all this stuff you've eaten, you gonna notice. Yeah, your nails gonna be nice and thick too. Your skin's gonna be flourishing. You're gonna look like the goddess of light and love and glow. You're just gonna be like Globe. Okay. So back to the business. So some of the events, some of the fundraisers we like to do here are coming up. We have for July and August, we're going back to the charity that we actually did last year. We did a fundraiser for a charity called Families Forward Philadelphia last year for the Thanksgiving kind of like food drive. So this year they're actually doing a back to school drive. And we would love to have everyone's support. We know most of the clients are always very supportive and willing and giving in those times because we're giving back to the community and people who are less fortunate than us this upcoming school year. So we will be giving away raffle tickets along with helping with your donations be added to it. So they'll need backpacks, pencils and pencil cases, pens, crayons, and loose leaf paper. They'll also need assistance in providing new uniforms. So a gift of $75 if anyone would be open to donating that can help purchase 2 pairs of uniform pants, 2 shirts, and 1 pair of shoes for a less fortunate child that's going on this way back to school. Gift cards to former mills can help. Gap, Old Navy, Target, Walmart can also help with those purchases. And again, all the school supply stuff is good. Anything you have on your heart to give, we're accepting. So the box will be how it always is at the front desk. When you walk in, even if you want to just come by and just drop some stuff off, you don't have to have an appointment to come in, and then we'll have a raffle ticket, so we'll raffle off some little packages for them too. I mention this now. We're not going to get into too much detail about it because we're still we got to get our things together. But our vending event is coming up, and I do feel my psychic senses tingling, and it's telling me that you're going to be there. But it's not all the way there yet because you didn't have everything all planned. But yes, we're having our vending event again in October. Make sure you come through. We're going to have some nice things, nice vendors, good food, good music, good people. I'm going to be there, and you doesn't want to see me. My God, it's me. No, Cece's going to wear 2 colors. Yeah, so that's all we have for the events and everything going on right now at this time at Blue Sage. If y'all have any questions, any concerns, if you have anything you want to donate, either drop it off or give us a call to see what you have. That would be perfect. We appreciate you guys and we love y'all. Thank you.
Make sure you signed up for our newsletter so you can get all of these recipes and all of these tips straight into your inbox.
Yes. I'm gonna be up in it like this. We're like, where you at? Come to this. All right. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.